Hello guys, welcome back to EasyEDA. So in today's video I will be showing you how to convert your schematic to PCB that at the end looks something like that. Now what you need to do. First thing first, you will need to finish with your schematic. So now we are in Pro version. After that, I will show you also how to do that in standard version of EasyEDA. So when you finish with your schematic, it's just simple, straightforward thing to do. Go to the design here in this upper corner and then update convert schematic to PCB. Click on that and things will happen here and you will get components on this into this PCB file. Now the same thing is here in EasyEDA standard. When you finish your schematic, you just go to the design and convert to schematic to PCB. Here you will see if you don't have something finished, some connection or something, you will get a warning. You can hit check net that you can check where you did a mistake, and after that will be the same thing. You will get your components to your PCB file. So this is basically it, how to convert schematic to PCB. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.